Divisional share of poverty alleviation resources, these can be used as rough guidelines, and you'll notice, of course, that the Northern Division should get altogether 28%, out of which 23 percentage points should go to the rural areas, and interestingly, the Central Division is the only division where more should go to the urban poor than to the rural poor. In the Central Division, 10% should go to the rural households and 14% to the urban. All the other areas, the balance should be in favor of rural areas. These are very, very important numbers for those of you who are practitioners on the ground, those at the provincial council levels, etc., to use when it comes to the budget time, to decisions on where money should be spent. Ethnic shares, I want to throw that in again, because we should throw ethnic conflict out the window over resources. It's all, if you look at the final column over there, according to this data, the survey by the Bureau, 57% of poverty alleviation resources should go to Itaukei, indigenous Fijians, 38% to Indo-Fijians, and 5% to others. And this is, of course, 2008-9. The proportions will be slightly higher for Itaukei, currently. But basically, that is the proportion of population in the country, according to the 2007 census. There's no reason for any ethnicity factor to be, brought into poverty alleviation decisions on where the resources should go to. So, for the Ministry of Social Welfare, and it is absolutely correct what they're doing currently. Just throw ethnicity out the window. Just look for the poor people and help them, whoever they are. And they will end up getting their fair share, which also will happen to be roughly in the proportion of their